How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Boundless Voyager titanium folding campfire grill. That was a mouthful. There's a ton of different brands of these, but this one really kind of stood out to me just for a couple of reasons. I'll show you that in a minute. This isn't sponsored. I paid full price for this. I've really liked Boundless Voyager, some of their products. I have their titanium tongs, and they are amazing. I use them almost every time I cook. So they made this, and I thought, well, this is perfect. Comes in this really nice little case. I didn't even know about this. Velcro. Really cool. So this is the main reason why I ended up going with this option, is because it has this mesh, I think it's stainless steel underhang. So that way you don't have to have your fire on the ground, just in case it's wet or something like that and you've got some dry wood but you want to have a fire. This goes in under it. So this is it. It's titanium. It's cool because you can use it as a table and also use it as a grill. Just fold these over. And there you go. So you've got this hanging so you can start a fire right here and it not be on the ground. And that's the main thing. That's the main reason why I went with this. A lot of them make these grills, but they don't have this mesh underhang. So this is exactly what I was looking for. And like I said, this is made by Boundless Voyager. I'm pretty sure they only make titanium products. And they're very affordable too compared to other brands like Snow Peak and stuff like that. Okay, let's see how easy it is to disassemble and put back in the bag, because I know if y'all are anything like me, sometimes that really is a pain in the butt when you buy something and you can't get it back in the original bag. So I don't really know how it's supposed to go. I'm just gonna do what I feel like is right and see if it works. Start off taking off the mesh and removing that. I'm going to close this. Whoops. I feel like you probably should put this in here. Then close these. Maybe. Maybe not. Might just put this separate. And there you go. I'd say that packed down pretty fast. I mean, it's pretty simple, really. Looks really nice. I can't wait to use it. I got it off Amazon. Retails for $90. I'll leave a link down in the description if y'all want to check it out. But I guess I'm going to wrap this one up. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Take it easy, everybody. Now I need to shoot B-roll.